CTE in Clovis Unified stands for Career Technical Education. CTE provides our students with essential skills in the pathways of their choosing. We offer 22 pathways in Clovis Unified, 78 courses. Many of them are dual enrolled with higher education. We also partner with advisory members from industry and within our community, and this is who our students learn from. These advisors guide our instructors on the latest technology and equipment that our students will need. And our students are able to use this industry standard equipment and also earn certifications that will help them in their job search when they leave high school. One of our greatest accomplishments in CTE with Clovis Unified is seeing a student who has a passion about a career and they join a pathway, they see it all the way through, and in that pathway they might intern or participate in a community classroom with a local business, and immediately following graduation they could go right into a job in that industry, in that career with that advisory partner. So they've started just with a passion of theirs, they've learned the skills they need, and then they can go right into a job if that's what they choose. If you're curious about CTE, our great big event for the year is our CTE Night, which is coming up on January 28th, 2025, from 6 to 8 p.m. at the Clovis Veterans Memorial District. And if you'd like to just learn some more, if you want to come see some demonstrations, meet our instructors, meet students that are in the pathways, we invite you to be there. Just a couple of things that we're going to showcase that night: our ambulance simulator for our patient care pathway, you might have seen that on the news, and also tabletop simulators for our construction pathway, where students can be certified in forklift, skid steer, and backhoe. Very exciting technology and equipment that we offer in Clovis Unified. For more information about our CTE programs, please visit cusd.com/CTE or Instagram CTE Clovis Unified, and also Facebook Career Technical Education at Clovis Unified.